I'm at Mobile World Congress 2015, and this week I'm concentrating on the 3 Cs, and that's cloud, cells, and coffee. So cloud, there's going to be a lot of talk here about virtualization, NFV, telco SDN, and here we're on the Ericsson Village at the moment. There was an announcement from Ericsson this morning about a new platform that they've developed with Intel, the HGS 8000.
This should enable our customers to actually get the same type of functionality, experience, technology, operational expertise, as well as economics, like any of the most advanced cloud-based providers.
It's a new server platform for telco data centers, going to be available later in the year. This is a company with a telecom infrastructure heritage, moving into the data center, developing a server platform to support the cloud and virtualization. So that's an interesting move from Ericsson. Expect to hear a lot more of that kind of thing during the course of this week. In terms of the cells, it's all about small cells. There's going to be a lot of news this week about multi-mode small cells that will be going into stadiums and buildings, as well as out to support the wide area network. We've heard a little bit about the developments with Ericsson's radio dot here this morning, but the big news in this sector is the alliance between Cisco and Spider Cloud. Cisco is going to be reselling the whole Spider Cloud small cell portfolio. And that's a really important development for that specialist startup, getting a global sales channel through Cisco, one of the biggest networking companies in the world. But also a really interesting development for Cisco, which has been trying to develop its own 4G and other small cells during the course of the past few years. Also, there was news out of Alcatel-Lucent this morning with a deployment with Telus in Canada, so lots of small cell news. And of course, coffee, always big here at Mobile World Congress, and something very close to my heart. So already had some pretty decent cappuccino here in the Ericsson Village this morning, about 7 out of 10. Later on, heading to the Spirent stand to see my friend, Europe's top barista, Daisy Rollo, for what will probably be an 8 or 9 out of 10 coffee. And I'm hearing that Mozilla is claiming to have the best coffee here at the Congress. Going to be checking that because that's a bold claim from them. So for me, it's all about the 3 Cs at this year's Mobile World Congress, and that's cloud, cells, and coffee.